Headlines: Fresh protests erupt in Northeast as Center passes CAF in Lok Sabha. And Chile military plane with 38 on board goes missing on way to Antarctica. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. The Northeast total shutdown against Citizenship Amendment Bill CAF called by the Northeast Students Organization NESO crippled normal life in Manipur too. It may be mentioned that the influential All Manipur Student Union MSU, which is a part of the regional apex students body NESO, is supporting the strike, which began from 3 a.m. CAF was passed in the Lok Sabha led last night amid strong protests from the entire Northeast states. NESO demands that CAF should be scrapped. The ongoing shutdown has affected normal life in the state. Otherwise, busy Imphal city roads wore a deserted look. Security measures have been tightened in view of the strike. All vehicles were off the road. The Manipur government yesterday declared Tuesday a state holiday to celebrate announcement by Union Home Minister Amit Saha in the parliament yesterday to bring Manipur under ambit of Inner Line Permit System ILPS. Educational institutions, all markets and government establishments remain shut. No untoward incidents were reported. The Northeast total shutdown imposed by Northeast Students Organization NESO in protest against the contentious CAF has hit normal life in Jiribam district of Manipur. All commercial establishments remained closed and vehicles were off the roads. Considering the seriousness of the shutdown, the Jiribam police has taken up additional security measures to avert any untoward incident. Talking to media, advisor of MSU District Committee Jiribam, Y. Sanjip Singh said that MSU Jiribam and residents are fully supporting the event called by MSU headquarters to condemn CAF. He added that implementation of CAF in the region will wipe out the ethnic communities of entire Northeast states.
Northeast ki lairiba akhoi yellow missing bo akhoi muthat na bagi akhoi lairiba India government na azugumlaba moi thosil tawakanda akhoi vote bank oina damakta mo azugumlaba akhoi indigenous people lamdam sigi Northeast ki amadi Manipur gi lairiba indigenous people chung muthat na bagi azugumlaba citizen amendment bill 2019 ase lairiba akhoi Jiribam gi lairiba MSU amadi lamdam sida lairiba mipum khuding nasu yaba ngamoi karigum hariba citizen bill hariba citizen amendment bill 2019 asigi mayokta matam chupada laini haiba wafam sing asi MSU district committee magai degi thamjari loinana hariba bill siga mayokta akhugi lamdam sida lairiba mipum khuding nasu hariba citizen amendment bill siga mayokta lemina se haiba wafam da thamjari.
The total shutdown called by NESO and MSU also affected normal life in the border town Moray in Technopal district. All Manipur Students Union Technopal District Committee is supporting the ongoing shutdown. Several parts of Guwahati and rest of Assam witnessed sudden unrest among the citizens after the Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday. Anti-CAF protesters burned tires and clashed with police amid strong slogans against the bill. Meanwhile, Kamrup, Sibsagar, Jorhat, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia and Majuli district witnessed intensified protests as thousands took to the streets demanding scrapping of the contentious bill. In many places, protesters burned tires and blocked national highways and railways. Guwahati also witnessed violent protests as mobs attacked police personnel and damaged public vehicles in Banu Maidan area. Meanwhile, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University and Cotton University have cancelled all examinations scheduled for today due to the Northeast total shutdown call given by Northeast Students Organization NESO. Students from Guwahati University, Assam Engineering College, Cotton University and JB Law College came out together and protested against SCAF. We have a report from our Assam Bureau Chief.
If the proposed bill passed in the both houses of parliament will hurt the sentiment of the people of Assam. It is a big question that in spite of such hue and cry situation in the state of Northeast, why the democratically elected government adamantly denying the public opinions. Cameraman Utpal Baru with Hamanta Morantam, Times of Manipur, Assam.
The shutdown call by Northeast Students Organization NESO against the Citizenship Amendment Bill has hit normal life in Tripura too. Students came out in large numbers on the roads of Agartala to impose the ban in the morning. A good number of students, basically from indigenous background, blocked the road near Radhanagar motor station. This road connects Civil Secretariat with Agartala city. The students showed their protest in front of the state ministers. The students shouted slogans against Citizenship Amendment Bill and Amit Shah. However, there was heavy security arrangement in the area. First, the police tried to persuade the students to clear the road. However, when they were adamant, several student protesters were picked up by the police. Protests also took place at different places across the state. The indigenous parties and indigenous civil society leaders of Tripura form a platform named as Joint Movement Against Citizenship Amendment Bill to protest against the contentious bill. This forum called indefinite period of strike, which was started from yesterday morning. Meanwhile, Tripura government has rescheduled all the examinations which were to be held today. Northeast Frontier Railway has also cancelled 6 trains and 4 partially cancelled due to indefinite period of strike. Chile's Air Force said it lost radio contact with a transport plane carrying 38 people on a flight last evening to the country's base in Antarctica, a media report said today. It said that the military had declared an alert and activated search and rescue teams. According to reports, the C-130 Hercules carried 17 crew members and 21 passengers, including 3 civilians. The personnel were to check on a floating fuel supply line and other equipment at the Chilean base. President Sebastián Piñera said via Twitter that he was with his defense and interior ministers at the Air Force headquarters monitoring developments. The plane took off at 4:55 p.m. from the southern city of Punta Arenas, which is more than 3,000 kilometers from the capital of Santiago. Contact was lost at 6:13 p.m., the statement said. The Air Force said that the weather was good at the time when the contact was lost. General Eduardo Mosquera of the 4th Air Brigade told local media that a search was underway and a ship was in the area where the plane should have been when contact was lost. Meanwhile, the Manipur BJP today held a public Thanksgiving gathering celebrating the announcement by Union Home Minister Amit Shah to bring Manipur under the ambit of ILP system. A mammoth rally is being taken out in Imphal city as part of the event. Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren Singh is also taking part in the rally. We have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646. Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangmaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Baldev, a premier studies circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 am to 2:30 pm. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects science, social science and mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapal Rims Road, opposite Nitainanda Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Ekhoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Sangai Tuition Center, admission open for revision course for class 10 and 12. Classes are going on. New foundation course for class 6 to 10 and 12. Classes commencing on 19 December. Mock tests will be held on every Sunday with spoken class for English and Hindi. Mathematical technique for better understanding and acquire more scientific knowledge. We also provide study materials. Vision for toppers. 10% fee concession for students of government schools. 20% fee concession for local students. 50% fee concession for physically challenged students. Hostel for boys and girls. Van service available. For details, please contact Sangai Tuition Center, Kokwa or call us at 98561 55400 or 8787 690 436.
Welcome back. Thangmaiban United Club TUC today lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Saha, other union leaders and State Council of Ministers for their effort to extend inner line permit system to the state to exempt it from the purview of CAV. Speaking to media persons at Nagamapalkang Zabilampag Imphal this morning, TUC President Pratap Sangthem said that locals of Thangmaiban have been supporting the public movement against Citizenship Amendment Bill under the aegis of MENPEC. He added that the people are extremely happy that ILP would be implemented in the state. An Assistant Commandant Rank Officer and Assistant Sub-Inspector of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF have been killed while 2 troops have been injured in an incident that took place at late last night in Bokaro of Jharkhand, according to media reports. The alleged perpetrator is among the injured. Reports also say that the unit was deployed for posts in the state where voting for 2 phases has been completed and another 3 phases are ahead. The injured personnel have been evacuated to the state capital Ranchi for medical treatment. Describing the Citizenship Amendment Bill as a dangerous turn in the wrong direction, a federal U.S. Commission in International Religious Freedom has South American sanctions against Home Minister Amit Saha and other principal Indian leadership if the bill with the religious criterion is passed by both houses of parliament. The Lok Sabha passed a Citizenship Amendment Bill, which seeks to provide Indian citizenship to non-Muslim refugees coming from Muslim-majority Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan after facing religious persecution there a little past midnight yesterday. In a statement issued yesterday, the U.S. Commission for International Religious Freedom alleged that the Citizenship Amendment Bill enshrines a pathway to citizenship for immigrants that specifically excludes Muslims, setting a legal criterion for citizenship based on religion. It claimed that the cave is a dangerous turn in wrong direction. It runs counter to India's rich history of secular pluralism and the Indian Constitution, which guarantees equality before the law regardless of faith. The USCIRF said that it was deeply troubled over the passage of the bill in Lok Sabha. We have another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Traditional Healing Center. Adungai ipaipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidang laying jari. Iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari. Hakchangi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana haksang fagat pangamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni. Ngasi maglengsin biro Traditional Healing Center, National Game Village Road, Lamfelpat 795004. Contact number 961 255 8587.
India gi ahanba amsung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanaminabagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba jimni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churachampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chimbagi sanaba khudongchabasu phangbigani. Ayuk pung 5 dagina numidang pung 9 phauba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsin birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness Kaisampa Junction opposite Churachampur Parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Welcome back. Rohingya refugees living in Bangladesh camps were awaiting to get justice as a top UN court is slated to begin a 3-day hearing today of a lawsuit accusing Myanmar of genocide of the Muslim minority community. A media report said that Gambia, a tiny West African Muslim majority country, filed the case in November 2019 at the Hague-based International Court of Justice (ICJ), accusing the Myanmar government of carrying out mass murders, rape and suspected ethnic cleansing operations against the Rohingya in Rakhine State. In connection to this, Myanmar State Councillor and de facto ruler Aung San Suu Kyi left for The Hague last Sunday, leading a team to defend her country in the face of the accusations. Now we have the sports news. India cleans 42 medals, including 27 gold on the penultimate day of competitions to inch closer to 300 mark as the country is poised to finish on the top spot for the 13th time on the trot in the South Asian Games. The Indian athletes also won 12 silver and 3 bronze to end day 8 with 294 medals, with 159 gold, 91 silver and 44 bronze, to further widen the gap with second place Nepal, who have collected 195 medals with 49 gold, 54 silver and 92 bronze. Sri Lanka are third with 236 medals with 39 gold, 79 silver and 118 bronze. With just a few events, including 7 boxing finals, left on the closing day today, India is unlikely to cross the 309 total medals won in Guwahati and Shillong in the last edition in 2016, but may go past the 300 mark. India has topped every edition of the South Asian Games since its inception in 1984. Russian President Vladimir Putin said that Moscow had ground to appeal a decision by the World Anti-Doping Agency to bar Russia from major sporting events, a move he said violated the Olympic Charter. Russia was banned from the world's top sporting events for 4 years earlier yesterday, including the next Summer and Winter Olympics and the 2022 Soccer World Cup, for tampering with doping tests. Putin, who was speaking in Paris after talks with his Ukrainian counterpart, said Russia would analyze a decision. The doping agency's executive committee acted that after concluding that Moscow had planted fake evidence and deleted files linked to positive doping tests in laboratory data that could have helped identify drug cheats. The decision was a huge blow to the pride of a nation that has traditionally been a powerhouse in many sports, but whose reputation has been tarnished by a series of doping scandals. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur gets ILPS promise as sailed from CAB. Chief Minister hails Modi, Shah, Singh. Manpack hails Amit Shah. Seas work stir relaxed. Every nation has right to independence, says Corcom. AMSU refuses to back off. Shutdown on. The People's Chronicle. Manipur will be brought under ILP regime, says Home Minister. Chief Minister, MLA held ILP vow. Holiday today. Freedom right of all ethnic communities, says Corcom. Manpack suspends stir. Calls review mid today. AMSU appeals for backing Nasho stir. Imphal Free Press. Amid fierce protests, Lok Sabha clears Citizenship Bill 2019. Chief Minister rejoices over Union Home Minister's ILPS statement. Declares December 10 state holiday. AMSU to continue with shutdown against CAB. Manpack suspends total shutdown. The Morning Bell. Historic. Manipur to be included in Inner Line Permit System. Bill not to violate Article 371. Government declares holiday today. Chief Minister Bishwajit expressed happiness. Thank Prime Minister, Home Minister. Cease work strike affects normalcy. Manpack welcomes Home Minister's statement. Suspends stir temporarily. Illegal encroachers of Khuga Dam to be evicted. Don't protest. Objections addressed in bill. Amit Shah to northeastern states. Manipur Mail. ILPS to be extended to Manipur. Chief Minister expresses gratitude. Manpack suspense stirs. Heated debate on CAB. BJP's idea of India divisive, says TMC MP. Chief Minister inspects solid waste treatment plant.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Fresh protests erupt in Northeast as center passes cave in Lok Sabha. And Chile military plane with 38 on board goes missing on way to Antarctica. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.